Me mo akwaba ene ye ba bisua kwa be fa so aye sulfur cream for skin rashes. So we new our channel you so e show cry so be subscribe. We me notification bell no so say the be ya video bi ato ha won sabeka. So I subscribe that and so e de wase. So we ye sulfur cream here ene ma obehia ne petroleum jelly, shea butter, sulfur, vitamin E oil, paraffin oil. Major ingredients and measurements no ewo description box name. So we your cream here what the ABC just now the swag now the bowl SC. Now the shea butter and your petroleum jelly egum one amanafra in nani. We are now the paraffin oil aka na what the sulfur powder also egum and more amanafra. We are now now the vitamin E oil. Any essential oil be an fragrance be will be now the account. Now no amanafra we are no will contain what we will sulfur cream. Yen shall say Tino made the petroleum jelly ne shea butter no and ato cap ni mo in sueni mo janisono ya enane. Ti moma yenka sulfur no ho asem kakra we no yenka ho asem kakra obia ne skin type akola ne panyini de enye pe nti bia akola rashes e wona ho ene panyini rashes bia ye different nti no sulfur no wo percentage a wo befa to shea butter ne petroleum jelly na ya fan percentage a wo be fa ebetimi aye akwala ho adwuma atimi aye panyini ho adwuma se bro so a ebenya effect wa akwala so panyini de no problem but akwala so e bro so a enti ne ye shea butter ye fa 20 grams and ye petroleum jelly so ye 40 enti no just panyini die ka bitima for 10% of petroleum jelly I can't say sulfur no say wafa weigh 60 not 10% of 60 grams no e be yesen now the no sa percentage na ka ho no ye for panyini but akola be 2% into 2% of 60 grams no then now I calculate now the account. Back medical can major measurements no ewo description box name to know be know how to go about it. Until the said ye be ya akola bit me use panyini bit me use no about 6% per and I'll bit media account na ye moderate for akola any panyini.
Mesro, so who training be na pen drive by the mouth, and a video you was on a washer, and then many or more a year ejuma. And so we no one problem yana, for all. So we'll be training in swap, for number neighbor screen as roll. So we'll pay any money being so soon after, for number na a good screen the formula. Medase. When you have video you so when you have video you what ya and you met to me suffer say Rebecca me WhatsApp group ne ho na yensua de na nya intremu ye de obeya ne se obehwa 100 na me de waka ho na ya travel e kwan a odi be business obe register obe market and obe brand major link no e wo description box follow link no never join the WhatsApp group no
Paraffin oil.
Mesro, so what training be na pen drive via the mao, and a video you was on a washer, and then many or mona a year a juma. Into some way, no one problem, Yana, Fred Ormond. So we'll be training in SWA. Fred number name was screen as roll. So we'll pay any money being so soon after. Fred number now a good screen the formula. Medas.
Vitamin E.
When you have video, you so when you have video, you want here, and you met 2 men suffer say, Rebecca, me WhatsApp group, no, na yin suya dear, Nina intro ye. The Obeyan is a Ubisha 106. Na me the waka home. Na ya show a paya or the Bayer business. Obe register, Obe market, and then Obe branded. Major link in our description box. Follow link in never join the WhatsApp group.
Ain't see. Obenum nuna so fano do na nane emfra nsa na wahwi a obetimi agya na mana settle kakra nsa na wahwi Quite when you fast so yes SULFUR cream. Said the medical can one subscribe and me or in a subscribe. Now if you a notification bell so said be a video in buy I want first person on some so I subscribe it and so I keep it was. After me when need so when you have the video you want like video in mind let's share my front so it was so I can video you wish the other